Introduction. Welcome to our travel adventure through the enchanting land of Morocco. Nestled in North Africa, Morocco is a vibrant tapestry of rich culture, stunning landscapes, and fascinating history. From the bustling souks of Marrakech to the serene sands of the Sahara Desert, this country offers a unique blend of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. With its diverse geography, you can explore everything from the snow-capped Atlas Mountains to the picturesque coastal towns along the Atlantic Ocean. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to discover the best places to visit in Morocco, showcasing its iconic landmarks and hidden gems. You'll learn about the intricate architecture of ancient Medinas, the tantalizing flavors of Moroccan cuisine, and the warm hospitality of its people. Each destination tells a story, steeped in tradition and infused with modern charm, making Morocco a must-visit for anyone seeking adventure and cultural immersion. So, whether you're dreaming of wandering through the colorful streets of Chefchaouen, riding camels at sunset in the Sahara, or sipping mint tea in a traditional riad, we've got you covered. Get ready to pack your bags and join us as we explore the unique attractions that make Morocco a truly unforgettable destination. Let's dive in and uncover the magic of this remarkable country together. Marrakech. The Red City. Welcome to Marrakech, often referred to as the Red City due to its distinctive terracotta buildings and vibrant atmosphere. This bustling metropolis is a feast for the senses, where the rich history and culture of Morocco come alive. At the heart of Marrakech lies the famous Jamaa el-Fna Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that pulses with energy day and night. Here, you can immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere filled with street performers, musicians, and local vendors selling everything from spices to handcrafted souvenirs. As the sun sets, the square transforms into a culinary paradise, with food stalls offering mouthwatering Moroccan dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Just a short stroll away, you'll find the stunning Koutoubia Mosque, the largest mosque in Marrakech. Its impressive minaret, standing at 77 meters, is a true architectural marvel and a symbol of the city. The intricate details and beautiful gardens surrounding the mosque provide a perfect backdrop for photos and a moment of reflection. For those seeking a serene escape from the hustle and bustle, the Jardin Majorelle is a must-visit. This enchanting garden, once owned by the famous designer Yves Saint Laurent, is a tranquil oasis filled with exotic plants, vibrant colors, and stunning fountains. It's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in the beauty of Marrakech's natural surroundings. Join us as we explore these iconic sites and more in the captivating city of Marrakech. Fes. The cultural capital. Welcome to Fes, often hailed as the cultural capital of Morocco, where medieval architecture and rich history intertwine to create a captivating atmosphere. At the heart of this city lies the UNESCO-listed Fes El Bali Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that transports you back in time. As you wander through its labyrinthine streets, you'll discover a maze of narrow alleys, bustling souks, and vibrant markets, each corner revealing a new treasure. The Medina is a living museum, showcasing the essence of Moroccan life, where the sounds of artisans at work and the aromas of spices fill the air. One of the highlights of Fes is the Bou Anania Madrasa, an architectural gem that exemplifies the intricate craftsmanship of the era. Built in the 14th century, this theological school features stunning tile work, carved wood, and beautiful stucco detailing. It serves not only as a place of learning but also as a testament to the city's rich intellectual heritage. As you explore further, you'll encounter artisanal workshops that showcase traditional crafts passed down through generations. From intricate pottery to exquisite leather goods, these artisans are dedicated to preserving their skills and creating beautiful pieces that reflect the essence of Moroccan culture. Fes is a city that invites you to immerse yourself in its history and artistry, making it a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to experience the heart and soul of Morocco. Chefchaouen. The Blue Pearl. Welcome to Chefchaouen, affectionately known as the Blue Pearl of Morocco. Nestled in the Rif Mountains, this picturesque town is famous for its enchanting blue painted streets that create a serene and magical atmosphere. As you stroll through the winding alleys, you'll be captivated by the unique charm of the blue-washed buildings, which range from soft sky blues to vibrant cobalt hues. This striking color palette not only adds to the town's beauty but also reflects the peaceful vibe that Chefchaouen is known for, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. One of the highlights of visiting Chefchaouen is the stunning views of the surrounding Rif Mountains. The dramatic peaks provide a breathtaking backdrop to the town, inviting you to explore the natural beauty that lies beyond its charming streets. Whether you're hiking in the nearby hills or simply enjoying a cup of mint tea at a local cafe, the views are sure to leave you in awe. Don't forget to visit the local markets, where you can find an array of handmade crafts that showcase the region's rich artisanal heritage. From colorful textiles to intricate pottery, these markets offer a wonderful opportunity to take home a piece of Chefchaouen's unique culture. With its captivating scenery and relaxed atmosphere, Chefchaouen is a destination that promises to enchant every traveler who visits. Sahara Desert. A natural wonder. Welcome to the Sahara Desert, a breathtaking natural wonder that stretches across several countries in North Africa. This vast expanse of golden sand dunes and rugged landscapes offers an unforgettable adventure for those willing to explore its beauty. One of the most iconic experiences in the Sahara is camel trekking, where you can ride these majestic creatures through the undulating dunes. As you sway gently atop your camel, you'll feel a deep connection to the ancient trade routes that once traversed this arid landscape, all while taking in the stunning scenery that surrounds you. As the sun begins to set, the Sahara transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors. The golden sands reflect hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a breathtaking sunset that you won't soon forget. Once night falls, the desert sky reveals a dazzling display of stars, far removed from the light pollution of urban life. Lying beneath the vast expanse of twinkling stars is a magical experience that connects you to the universe in a profound way. For a truly immersive experience, consider staying in traditional Berber tents, where you can enjoy the warmth of local hospitality. These tents provide a cozy retreat after a day of exploration, allowing you to savor authentic Moroccan cuisine and share stories around a crackling fire. The Sahara Desert is not just a destination, it's an adventure that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Essaouira, the coastal gem. Welcome to Essaouira, a charming coastal city that beautifully blends history, culture, and stunning ocean views. Known for its historic Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Essaouira is a haven for artists and musicians alike. The vibrant arts scene here is palpable, with galleries showcasing local talent and colorful street art adorning the walls. Throughout the year, the city hosts lively music festivals, such as the Naoua World Music Festival, where you can immerse yourself in the rhythms and sounds that reflect the rich cultural tapestry of this coastal gem. As you wander through the bustling port, the aroma of fresh seafood fills the air, inviting you to indulge in the local cuisine. Essaouira is renowned for its delicious seafood, with fishermen bringing in the catch of the day. You can savor grilled sardines, succulent prawns, and a variety of traditional Moroccan dishes at the many restaurants lining the waterfront. Dining here is not just a meal, it's an experience that tantalizes your taste buds while you enjoy the picturesque views of the harbor. Don't miss the chance to explore the historic ramparts that encircle the Medina. These impressive fortifications offer stunning panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding landscape. Walking along the ramparts, you can feel the rich history of Essaouira while taking in the breathtaking scenery. With its unique blend of culture, cuisine, and coastal beauty, Essaouira is a destination that promises to enchant every visitor. Atlas Mountains. Adventure awaits. Welcome to the majestic Atlas Mountains, a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Stretching across Morocco, this stunning mountain range offers a diverse landscape that is perfect for hiking, trekking, and exploring. With breathtaking scenery at every turn, you'll find yourself surrounded by towering peaks, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls. The trails here cater to all levels of hikers, from leisurely walks to challenging treks that lead you to the summit of Toubkal, the highest peak in North Africa. As you navigate through the mountains, you'll encounter traditional Berber villages that dot the landscape. These charming settlements provide a glimpse into the rich culture and heritage of the Berber people, who have lived in harmony with the mountains for centuries. Visiting these villages allows you to experience the warm hospitality of the locals, sample traditional cuisine, and learn about their way of life. For those who enjoy winter sports, the Atlas Mountains offer skiing opportunities in Ouakamaden, one of Morocco's premier ski resorts. With its well-groomed slopes and stunning alpine scenery, Ouakamaden attracts both novice and experienced skiers looking to enjoy a unique winter experience in North Africa. Whether you're hiking through the valleys, exploring Berber culture, or hitting the slopes, the Atlas Mountains promise an adventure that will leave you with unforgettable memories and a deeper appreciation for Morocco's natural beauty. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in Morocco, it's clear that this enchanting country offers a remarkable diversity of experiences for every traveler. From the vibrant streets of Marrakech, where the lively Jamaa el-Fna square and stunning Koutoubia Mosque await, to the cultural richness of Fes with its historic Medina and artisanal workshops, each destination tells a unique story. We've also explored the serene beauty of Chefchaouen, the breathtaking landscapes of the Sahara Desert, the coastal charm of Essaouira, and the adventurous spirit of the Atlas Mountains. Morocco is a land of contrasts, where ancient traditions meet modern vibrancy, and every corner reveals something new and exciting. We encourage you to explore these incredible destinations for yourself and immerse yourself in the rich culture, delicious cuisine, and stunning scenery that Morocco has to offer. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you more adventures and insights from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on our next travel escapade.